I got nothing for you this week, guys, because it's too cold outside. I used some backup footage from a couple weeks ago of me changing the wiper blades on my wife's Ford Escape. This week, I kind of fixed it. It's too cold. This weekend I kind of fixed it. I don't want to be outside. It's too cold outside. So this weekend I kind of fixed it. I'm going to show you how to do wiper blades. This weekend I kind of fixed it. I show you how to change a wiper blade. This style, not the J-hook style. Slide the top on first, pinch the bottom, remove safety edge, and that's how you change a wiper blade. So to reiterate, this top tab here, shove it into there, come around, pinch these, wait for a little click, and you're in. That's all you have to do. And then to remove the rear one, you simply pop it off there and reinstall by pressing this on the tab and pressing up. The Mustang will be back. I'm not going to swap a V8 into it. I'm going to bring the 4-cylinder back to life and do 4-cylinder Mustang stuff.